This is how to replace the PCB on the X-range boiler. The boiler is isolated and dead tested. Next thing we need to do is to undo the front cover with a 5mm Allen key. Remove the front cover by pushing upwards. Next, the PCB is accessed by these two lugs at the side of the boiler here. Give them a bend outwards. Drop the PCB down. That gives you full access to the PCB. Next, undo this screw here. Remove connection blocks. Two lugs on the side of the PCB tray. Pull them out. That's the access to the quick blow fuse. And to replace, click back on top. Put back together. Lift it level, push it in, hear the click. And that's how we replace the PCB on the X-range boiler.